If you see it on the street, you'll probably look twice to check what's missing. The top secret e-bike, yes, that is really its name, lacks spokes in its wheels but makes up for it with plenty of other features. The model is built with a 750-watt motor that gives you a maximum speed of 25 km per hour. And in pedal assist mode, they can travel up to 130 km on a single charge. Additionally, the bike comes with a smart display that connects via Bluetooth to provide navigation and battery information. And it even includes a rear view camera for added safety. The price is not so top secret, $4,000. Designing a compact folding bike is no easy feat, but the creators from Germany have nailed it with the Quiggle. Weighing only 10 kilograms, this model is designed for riders weighing up to 100 kilograms. Due to the small wheels, it won't go faster than 25 kilometers per hour. But riders will benefit from its upright riding position, which, according to its creators, allows for more efficient pedaling and reduced strain on the back. When folded down, it measures just 55 by 25 centimeters, making it small enough to carry as hand luggage on a plane. Do you know of any other bike you can take into the cabin? It even comes with wheels, allowing you to transport it like a suitcase. The price is set at $1,800. What comes to mind when you hear water bike? These unique vehicles are steadily gaining popularity, with each new model becoming more exciting. Take, for example, this design from the Brazilian company Chiliboats. Thanks to its inflatable pontoons, it has no trouble fitting into a car trunk disassembled, and to build it back up, you'll need less than 5 minutes. The sturdy frame supports up to 170 kilograms. Steering is done with traditional bicycle handlebars, while a propeller system drives the bike forward at speeds of up to 16 kilometers an hour. As you can tell, this model is designed for some relaxed fun rather than extreme sports, and its price starts at $3,000. According to its manufacturers, the Yik Bike is the world's smallest folding bicycle, and it's certainly also one of the strangest looking ones. It can be folded or unfolded in less than 20 seconds and fits compactly into most storage spaces. A full charge is achieved in just 1.5 hours. However, its maximum range falls quite short, offering just 20 kilometers. But you'll be driving with a reasonable maximum speed of 25 kilometers an hour. Additionally, it can support up to 100 kilograms of user weight. The Yik Bike comes in two models, one with aluminum and the other with a carbon frame. The first version weighs 13 kilograms and costs $5,000, and the lightest version weighs 11 kilograms and costs $8,000. The Tuck Bike takes a unique approach. Unlike most others, it not only folds at the handlebar and frame, but also features wheels that can be broken down into 3 pieces. While that does look more complicated, the developers remind us you don't have to fold it every time, just when it's necessary. Fully folded, it is about 61 centimeters long and 37 centimeters high, roughly the size of a weekend bag. Additionally, it also features gecko rubber tires, which are puncture-proof, so you don't need to inflate them. However, despite its unique design, the Tuck Bike has not yet transitioned to full-scale production. Now, let's move on to a fitness vehicle that combines the benefits of rowing and cycling. This exercise machine replicates the body movements of rowing while offering the versatility of a bike, allowing users to train in various environments, regardless of weather or location. With handlebars pulled back and pedals for the feet, the bike engages multiple muscle groups, providing a full body workout that strengthens both the upper and lower body. Can you climb a mountain without actually being on one? Strange question, right? Well, with the LFN Bike, you can. It is not an ordinary model. Instead of the classic circular pedal motion, it features pedals that move straight up and down in alternating strokes, covering about 50 centimeters vertically. This design aims to simulate the movements of running, walking, cycling, and even mountain climbing. Plus, the handlebars are designed to keep your body upright, preventing discomfort in your posture while riding. And in case you're wondering what LFN stands for, it means looking for name. Don't forget to subscribe to Unstoppable Gadgets. And if you want to check out some cool bikes, click on the screen for the next video.